Easy read, nature stories. Owl. Owls are special birds. They are hunters, always alert. They live almost everywhere in the world, but not in Antarctica. Most owls sleep in the day, like this saw-whet owl. They are good at hiding. This is a barn owl. An owl has a flat face and big eyes. It has an inner eyelid that closes sideways. An owl can turn its neck twice as far as we can. An owl must preen its feathers. They need to be in good shape so it can fly. Like this short-eared owl. Owl. To see and hear a story about house sparrows, click here. Click here if you want to subscribe and get a notice when new videos are added.